Now let's continue learning Amharic. So of is yeah. Of yeah. For example, to say it also shows possession in Amharic. So coffee of Ethiopia. የኢትዮጵያ ቡና. Okay? የኢትዮጵያ ቡና. So my car or car of my. የኔ መኪና. So aunt is አክስት. So my aunt's car የአክስቴ መኪና. የአክስቴ መኪና. My brother's car የወንድሜ መኪና. This is my brother's car. ይሄ የወንድሜ መኪና ነው. How would you say my car? መኪናዬ. Where is it? የት ነው? የት ነው? Or መኪናዬ የት ነው? Okay, so how would you say there is? አለ. So sometimes to ask we say to say where is it? We say where there is. Literally. የት አለ? የት አለ? Where is it? የት አለ? So there is a milk. ወተት አለ. In the refrigerator. ፍሪጅ ውስጥ. Okay, so ask where is it? የት ነው? Or የት አለ? የት አለ? If you are asking for a place, you could say that, yeah. የት አለ? Okay, so አለ, there is. How would you say there is not? የለም. የለም. So problem is ችግር. Much problem? Or a lot of problem? ብዙ ችግር. So there is not much problem. ብዙ ችግር የለም. ብዙ ችግር የለም. How would you say it is? No. What about it is not? አይደለም. አይደለም. There is አለ. There is not የለም. It is no. It is not አይደለም. So here is እዚህ. Here. So my car is not here. መኪናዬ እዚህ አይደለም. መኪናዬ እዚህ አይደለም. So I have to is አለብኝ. I should, I must አለብኝ. We have to or we should is አለብን. አለብን. Okay, we have to, we should. So we should go by bus. በባስ መሄድ አለብን. በባስ መሄድ አለብን. So the continuous form we add, it starts with a yes sound. All the continuous forms. Okay, so I'm going እየሄድኩ. To go is መሄድ. I'm going እየሄድኩ. So I'm going እየሄድኩ ነው. Okay, you are going to አማን is እየሄድክ. እየሄድኩ እየሄድክ. I'm going, you are going. Okay, so ask a man, where are you going? የት እየሄድክ ነው? የት እየሄድክ ነው? To a woman, it ends with sh sound at the end. So try to say, where are you going to a woman? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? የት እየሄድሽ ነው? Try to say, we must go to Kenya. ኬንያ መሄድ አለብን. ን sound at the end. ኬንያ መሄድ አለብን. I have to go to Kenya. ኬንያ መሄድ አለብኝ. ን sound. ኬንያ መሄድ አለብኝ. Okay. Today I'm going to ጎንደር. ዛሬ ወደ ጎንደር እየሄድኩ ነው. ዛሬ ወደ ጎንደር እየሄድኩ ነው. To return back or to come back is መመለስ. መመለስ. Okay. We should come back tomorrow. Or we should return back tomorrow. ነገ መመለስ አለብን. ምን sound? ነገ መመለስ አለብን. I should return back tomorrow. ነገ መመለስ አለብኝ. ነገ መመለስ አለብኝ. Okay, so to do is ማድረግ. The verb to do is ማድረግ. So I can do. ማድረግ እችላለሁ. I can do that. ያንን ማድረግ እችላለሁ። So what can you do to a man? ምን ማድረግ ትችላለህ? to a woman? ምን ማድረግ ትችያለሽ? So now try to say you are doing to a man. Remember that the continuous form starts with a sound. Okay? ምን እያደረክ ነው? to a man and to a woman? ምን እያደረግሽ ነው? to do ማድረግ you are doing እያደረክ to a man and to a woman እያደረግሽ okay ምን እያደረክ ነው or ምን እያደረግሽ ነው so within is the and ውስጥ you are going to sandwich what you have in between okay within 2 minutes minute is ደቂቃ በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ so we should return in 2 minutes we should return back in 2 minutes በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብን I have to return back in 2 minutes በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብኝ You should return in 2 minutes to a man first በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብህ so k or he at the end በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብህ to a woman በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብሽ በሁለት ደቂቃ ውስጥ መመለስ አለብሽ so ask a man what are you doing ምን እያደረክ ነው how would you say I'm doing እያደረኩ it starts with a sound እያደረኩ so I'm not doing anything any or nothing or anything is ምንም I'm not doing anything so ምንም እያደረኩ አይደለም okay so I'm eating is እየበላው starts with እየበላው okay so I'm eating lunch lunch ምሳ እየበላው ነው or ቁርስ እየበላው ነው ቁርስ is breakfast okay እየበላው ነው so how would you say are you eating lunch to a man ቁርስ ምሳ እየበላክ ነው to a woman ምሳ እየበላሽ ነው to watch is ማየት the root verb so I'm watching እያየው I'm eating እየበላው I'm going እየሄድኩ I'm doing እያደረኩ okay so I'm watching እያየው so ask are you watching a movie movie እያየክ ነው or film እያየክ ነው to a woman film እያየሽ ነው so try to say I'm watching Netflix እያየው ነው okay so then after is ከዛ በኋላ okay then after so you are eating እየበላክ or እየበላሽ to a woman I'm eating እየበላው okay so now I'm eating my breakfast then I will eat my lunch አሁን ቁርሴን እየበላው ነው ከዛ ምሳዬን እበላለሁ so I will eat in Amharic most of the time the present and the future are kind of the same okay I will eat it's the same ከዛ በኋላ ምሳዬን እበላለሁ then after I will eat my lunch